The 2018 Jeep Renegade. The Jeep Renegade offers full-size capability built into a smaller SUV. The Jeep Renegade is an incredible combo of smart technology, cool colors, and innovative materials. It has a capable command center with the tools you need for discovering everything that's out there. This vehicle has less than 2,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, keyless entry, trip computer, compass, clock, brake assist, day and night rear view mirror, tachometer, outside temperature gauge, front license plate bracket, steering wheel controls, black door handles. Come see the car for yourself.